Hi, welcome to my vlog. Watch me unbox this package shipped from Quezon Province. It was shipped and I received it via LBC in just 2 days. I will show the FB profile of who I bought these plants from. Just message him directly to ask for available plants.
Music.
Please like and subscribe to my channel and press the bell icon to receive updates on new videos. The plants are expertly packaged by the plant seller, who also makes sure that each plant has a plastic name tag and that its name is inscribed on the box. So let's start with the first box to unbox. Philodendron Queen Marble Aurea is a beautiful and rare cultivar of the philodendron species, known for its striking marble pattern variegation and bright golden yellow streaks. It combines the best features of the highly sought-after philodendron Queen Marble with the added splash of vibrant yellow, creating a stunning display. The leaf color and variegation feature a striking mix of creamy white, grayish green, and yellow gold hues. The variegation can vary across individual leaves, with some displaying predominantly white or yellow marbling, and others showing a more muted green. Next variegated plant is Philodendron Red Anderson albo is an exciting and rare variety of the philodendron genus that combines the bold reddish stems and deep green leaves of the Red Anderson with the elegant white or cream-colored variegation of the albo variety. This makes it a stunning and visually striking plant, favored by plant collectors for its beauty and unique appearance. The leaves of Philodendron Red Anderson albo are typically dark green with irregular white or cream-colored variegation. The variegation can vary, sometimes appearing in marbled patterns or as patches along the leaves. The deep green leaves combined with the cream or white streaks give it a distinguished look. One of the standout features of this cultivar is its reddish-pinkish stems, which contrast beautifully with the leaves and variegation. Next variegated plant is Philodendron Pink Princess Marble is a rare and beautiful cultivar that combines the striking pink variegation of the Philodendron Pink Princess with the marbled creamy white variegation typical of Philodendron White Princess. The result is a stunning plant that showcases a mix of vibrant pink, white, and green tones in its leaves, making it a highly sought-after variety among plant collectors. The leaves of Philodendron Pink Princess Marble exhibit a unique combination of vibrant pink, white, and green hues. The variegation is marbled or irregular, with pink and cream patches mixed with darker green sections, giving each leaf a one-of-a-kind appearance. The amount and distribution of pink and white variegation can vary from leaf to leaf, with some leaves featuring large pink sections, while others have more subtle streaks of color. Next variegated plant is Monstera laniata mint is a rare and striking cultivar of the Monstera laniata species, known for its beautiful and unique mint-colored variegation. It has gained popularity among plant collectors for its distinctive, soft green and white or cream-colored patterns, making it a visually stunning addition to any plant collection. The primary feature of the Monstera laniata mint is its mint-colored variegation, which appears as soft, light green, and creamy white patches across the leaves. The variegation can be quite striking, with the mint color offering a refreshing contrast to the darker green sections of the leaves. The variegation is typically irregular, creating a beautiful marbled effect. Like other Monstera varieties, the Monstera laniata has elongated, glossy leaves with a distinctive, perforated pattern as the plant matures. However, in this cultivar, the perforations tend to be a bit smaller compared to other Monstera species. Monstera laniata mint is a vining plant, and it tends to climb if given the right support. It can also trail and is well suited to being grown in a hanging basket or on a trellis, where it can showcase its beautiful foliage. We already unboxed all my orders, and now we are unboxing the freebies sent to me by the seller. Philodendron linnae is a relatively rare and striking species in the philodendron genus, known for its elongated leaves, unique shape, and beautiful appearance. It is often appreciated by plant collectors and enthusiasts for its distinctive features and elegant foliage. The leaves of Philodendron linnae are elongated, lance-shaped, and can grow quite large, typically with smooth edges. The leaves have a glossy texture, giving them a refined and polished look. Monstera peru, also known as Monstera carstenianum, is a unique and striking species of Monstera that is admired for its textured, deeply ridged leaves and compact growth habit. Philodendron atobapens is a striking and rare species of philodendron that is highly coveted by plant collectors due to its unique, elongated leaves and vibrant, contrasting coloration. Native to the tropical regions of South America, this species is known for its stunning foliage and relatively compact growth habit. The leaves of Philodendron atabapoense are elongated, narrow, and lance-shaped, giving them a sleek and elegant appearance. The leaf edges are smooth, and the veins are often quite prominent. As the plant matures, the leaves can become quite large, adding a tropical flair to your space. The leaves are typically a deep green color with rich, contrasting veins that often appear lighter, sometimes with a reddish or purple hue on the undersides. The texture of the leaves is leathery, adding a nice sheen to their surface.
Music.
Philodendron red Anderson is a striking cultivar of philodendron, prized for its unique and beautiful red-hued stems and vibrant dark green leaves. This cultivar is a favorite among philodendron enthusiasts due to its relatively rare and eye-catching color contrast, as well as its relatively easy care. Philodendron tetrasperma, also known as mini monstera or Philodendron ginny, is a popular and unique species of philodendron known for its small, fenestrated leaves that resemble the iconic leaves of the Monstera deliciosa, but in a much smaller and more compact form. It is often favored by plant collectors for its stunning appearance and relatively easy care, making it a great choice for both beginners and seasoned plant enthusiasts. One of the most defining features of Philodendron tetrasperma is its small, elongated, and deeply cut leaves. The leaves often have several fenestrations, holes or splits in them, much like a monstera, but the overall size of the leaves is much smaller. The leaves are typically dark green and glossy, giving the plant a polished, tropical look. Philodendron tetrasperma is a vining plant, which makes it perfect for training on a moss pole, trellis, or allowing it to trail in a hanging basket. It grows in a more compact manner compared to other philodendrons, making it ideal for smaller spaces. So let's take a look again at all the plants that I have received.
Music.
To be honest, I am so happy with all the plants that I received. I'm sure I'm going to buy again from the same seller. If you like this video, please give it a thumbs up, comment where you're from, and subscribe to my YouTube channel.
Music.